Russian President Vladimir Putin deployed the frigate Admiral Gorshkov, a warship loaded with Zircon hypersonic missiles. These missiles travel more than 5 times the speed of sound, making them challenging to detect and intercept. Meanwhile, the waters are turbulent elsewhere. Ukraine's last warship, the Yuri Olefirenko, was allegedly destroyed by Russian forces in the Black Sea. And in a retaliatory move, Ukraine launched a missile attack on a Russian warship in Crimea. The world watches as these naval power plays unfold. Share your thoughts in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more updates.